to fix on Big Red. About a 1/4 inch plate, piece of plate rolled around. Whoops, you can't see. Get out of the light. Sandwiched it in. New brake lines. And there is one ungodly hole behind that. But what we got put in there is going to hold. For now. The master mechanic. Master of destruction. And Uncle Charlie.
You gonna YouTube it?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna put that on YouTube.
She's up in the air, boys. Oh, plate out here. If you can see it. Brought up. Welded. Bolted. Everything you can think we could do to it, we did. A lot of blood, sweat, and tears. How many times have we hit our head on this damn thing?
Bunch.
Oh, get it around. What am I stuck on?
That's good.
Now, I'm going to ask you a question, Donnie. What if we were to put a ground wire to the clamp to one of these metal fittings? Would that ground this sending unit?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try to do that.
Yes, it don't work.
Now they read, both of them read full.
Yep, you can do that.
Figured now would be the time to do it. Figure out how.
Clean enough so it'll ground.
Yeah. New bolts. New bolts. New metal. And new shocks. Like a 1-ton really needs that. Now what are you looking for? We even got a new, wish you could see it, emergency brake hanger. Woohoo!
New emergency brake cable hanger, new cross member.
Yeah, changed cross member too. Got that all out. That's the remnants of it over here.
That's a one-day project.
What's left of it? What's left of it?
Not many people can do this. You know it?
No. That's why you're the master of disaster.
There ain't many shops that even attempt to fix the frame.
No.
Most of them send you down the road.
No, we ain't doing that. No, we can't touch it.
Yep, that's a liability thing, so I won't do it.
Yep.
Yep. I wouldn't even worry about getting another frame unless you just want one to that front end.
Well,
You ain't got to worry about that spot no more.
no, I'll agree with you. That's
Strongest part of the frame now.
now there's a 1/2 inch of material on the bottom side. See, we even got this nice little handy dandy whip. Molded it to the frame. Brought it back to the back. Where's your little flashlight?
Right here.
Yeah. Put this off another truck, cross members off another truck. Custom made strap. New shocks. Woohoo! New fuel tanks. Well, they're about a couple years old. New straps. Got that welded back in because we had to move it out to get the plate in. More, better, gooder. Now see,
Where'd I put that?
lots of new bolts. Well, guess it's back to work. We'll see you next time, guys.